I don't drive Toyotas, I drive Ferraris. What do you want?
So let's say now.
Wait, you can't hear a word I'm saying. The do you want, man? What do you want?
Me, I want financial independence, financial freedom.
That's easy, man. Just be homeless, you're free.
So what is the right, what do I want question? Answer to the question.
I want to buy a gold mine.
Okay.
Go buy a gold mine. Do you know how to do it?
I don't know how to do that.
Then you better study.
Right.
Find somebody who bought one. I studied for about 10 years how to buy gold mines. I was traveling in Vancouver, British Columbia. There's a show called the VRIC, Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. And I go to Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. And I studied with all these guys who own gold mines.
Okay.
And I went looking for gold mines. I found one. I found a gold mine in, this is in 2004. I found a gold mine in Dalian, China. See, I don't think you could do it. I bought it.
It's not that simple. If it's there, I just buy it. It's not that simple. There's a lot of loopholes.
Because I know how to raise capital.
Okay.
I studied how to raise capital. I go to Vancouver. I study with guys who raise capital. I think you hang out with employees. I have friends who are employees, but my friends are capitalists.